Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a Badoo account step by step. Badoo is a social and dating app that helps you meet new people, chat and make new connections based on your location and interest. Now let's get started. First, make sure you have a Badoo app and it's already installed on your phone. If you do not have, so you can go to the App Store or Play Store and download it from there. And you can open your Badoo app. You can continue with either your phone, your email with Facebook or Apple. As I'm going to select with email, tap on the continue with email. Over here, make sure you type down your email correctly, and after you're done, select continue. And if you want Badoo app to send you email offers, you can select OK. If you do not prefer, so select no thanks. And over here you'll get code to verify your email address, and simply from Gmail you can get the code and select continue. And over here, if you want to create a passkey, you can do that. If you want to create a passkey, you can select create a passkey, but if you do not prefer, so select not now on the bottom over here. So the first is to write your name. Type down your name and select continue on the bottom over here. So here you can choose either you want to date, open to chat, or for relationship. Simply select any of this option you prefer, so and select continue on the bottom. If you want to allow the notification from the Badoo app, select continue on the bottom. Over here you are required to type down your basic information. Simply type down your birthday years and select continue, and select which gender describes you. Simply select all of the information based wise your preference and select continue on the bottom. You are also required to choose any of your photo. You are required to upload at least 2 photos to get started, and tap on your photos and simply select one of the photos from a gallery, and after that select upload in the top right corner. And after you choose 2 photos, you need to select continue on the bottom. Over here, if you want to share your location, you can select continue and select continue again to personalize your experience as well, and select ask app now to track. And here you just created an account in Badoo app. You can select next on the bottom here. Keep on selecting next, and this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any trouble creating an account in Badoo app, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.